wherever you're joining us from. Welcome to Ambassadors of Cryptokademy. As usual, my name is Daniel Obinna, your number one crypto analyst, your number one crypto profitable investor and trader. Okay, so today I want to quickly teach you guys how to make use of trust wallets. Okay, I've been getting emails, tweets, and DMs, asking that I put up something on how you guys can use the app called Trust Wallet, right? So here it is. Now, if you are given a token to buy on Trust Wallet or SafePal, right? I'm going to be putting up a different video on how to use SafePal as well. SafePal is also another decentralized platform where you can store your cryptocurrencies and also trade and exchange your cryptocurrencies, okay? So for today, we're going to use Trust Wallet. So first thing first, you come to your Trust Wallet. I believe you know how to create a Trust Wallet. If you don't know how to create a Trust Wallet, a link will be in the description. Where you can, learn how to create a Trust Wallet, protect your passwords or your assets and stuff like that, okay? But for today, I just want to quickly teach you how you can easily just buy and sell any cryptocurrency, especially when playing DGen. Yes, when playing DGen, it's important to know how to use Trust Wallet. Okay, first thing first is once you open your Trust Wallet, right, you need either BNB or USDT. Right, you need either of this. You need either this or you need USDT. USDT is right here. I don't have any now, and that's because I've exhausted all I have. Okay, so now basically what you need to learn how to do is you need to learn how to move money from your Binance account to your Trust Wallet account. Right? Once you're able to successfully do this, then you now go into the next phase and next step of trading with your Trust Wallet. So first thing first, if you want to, move money from your Binance account to your Trust Wallet account, what do? You click on this button here called Receive. You can see this Receive, okay? You click on it, and then you select the particular cryptocurrency you want to, send money to, the particular token you want to use for this transaction. So it's either you're using BNB or you're using USDT. It's either you're using BNB or you are using USDT. Now, I prefer to use USDT personally. I prefer using USDT as my quote currency. Yes, it makes my transactions easy. It makes transacting on Trust Wallet easy. So I click on USDT. You can also choose BNB, whichever one it is. Always note this: your wallet address is the same for all tokens, right? So it means I can still send BNB to this same address and it's going to reflect as BNB, despite the fact that I'm copying the address from a USDT, platform, okay? So now I'm going to copy this address. As you can see there, you click on copy. You click on copy, okay? So I'll copy the address and I've copied the address. Then what next do I need to do? I move over to my Binance. I go over to Binance. I come over to Binance where I want to send out transaction from. Okay, so I want to send out money out from my Binance into my Trust Wallet. So at this point, what do? I come to Spot Wallet. You can see Spot Wallet up there, right? You click on Spot, and then you select Withdraw. You can see Withdraw here. Oh, sorry. You can see Withdraw, okay? So you select Withdraw. What this means is you want to send out money from a particular wallet out to your Trust Wallet. So I want to send out USDT. Remember, I'm choosing USDT for this transaction because, like I said, I prefer USDT as my quote currency. Okay, so you select USDT, and then you select Send via Crypto Network. Send via Crypto Network, right? Once you choose that, you will then paste that wallet address. Remember the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet, right? You paste it here in this box. You paste it here in this box, in this particular area, right? Once you paste it, you select what we call the address network or the network, right? The blockchain network of that address. And to do this, you click on network. You simply click on network, and then you select BEP20. Yes, you select BEP20. The reason why you're selecting BEP20 is because the address you copied from Trust Wallet is under BEP20 network, and then most of the tokens you are buying on Trust Wallet are under the BSC BEP network, okay? So you select BEP20. Once you select BEP20, you click on confirm. right? And then you put in the amount of USDT you wish to send out. So let's say you wish to send out, from Binance, you can only send out a minimum of 10 USDT, right? Even if you're sending out BNB, the BNB you're sending out will not and cannot be less than $10. If not, the transaction will not go through, okay? So let's say I want to fund $50, for example. I want to send out $50 to my Trust wallet. Now, if I don't want the network fee to be taken from the amount I'm sending out, it means I will need to add something to this. And the reason why it's like that is because Binance is going to take, it will tell you that the amount I'm supposed to receive on Trust Wallet is 49.71 USDT. And the reason why it's like that is because Binance is going to take a network fee of 0.29 cents. Yes, so they are taking a network fee of approximately 3 cents. Or 30 cents, rather, 30 cents, okay? So, but if I don't want that to happen, it means I'll just have to type 50.3. Now, you see, once I type 50.3, it means I'm going to be receiving exactly 50 USDT on my Trust wallet. And then what do I need to do? I click on withdrawal, right? I click on, or rather, let me select the wallet I want to withdraw from my funding wallet. I click on confirm, then I click on withdrawal, and then I click on confirm. Look at that, you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, voila, you have sent out USDT to your Trust wallet. It's going to ask you to verify and all that. So once you've done verification, once you're done verifying, your transaction will appear in your Trust wallet and all that stuff, okay? So you can go through your security verification process. You can see that I'm using both Google Authenticator, email verification code, and phone number verification code. Now, the reason why I'm using all these multiple layers of securities is so that nobody can just have access to my Binance account in case maybe should I ever lose my phone, before they can access my wallet, I would have countered every measure, because they don't have access to my Google Authenticator, neither do they have access to my email or my phone number and all that, okay? So this is, once you're done with this security process, your transaction will go through, and then you will see your USDT will reflect in your Trust wallet. So I believe this video will help you, move funds safely. Like I said, you can also apply the same step if you want to move BNB to Trust wallet, right? But if you're still going to find it difficult, don't bother, don't worry yourself. I'll be putting up another video for you to learn how to transfer BNB from Binance to Trust wallet. Thank you very much. And as always, my name remains Daniel Obina, your #1 crypto profitable investor and trader, right? And please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to share this video. And most of all, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for valuable and quality content